Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi Q3 rear brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a brake caliper compression tool. Safety is paramount, so ensure your Audi Q3 is on a level, stable surface with the parking brake firmly engaged. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout this straightforward procedure. Proper preparation makes the job much easier and safer for everyone involved. With your vehicle safely supported, begin by fully removing the rear wheel. Next, locate the 2 caliper guide bolts, often a 7mm hex or 13mm size, and remove them completely. This allows the brake caliper to swing free. Gently slide the old brake pads directly out of the caliper bracket. Note their orientation, as the new pads will go in the same way. This step is crucial for a smooth replacement. Now, it is time to install the new brake pads. First, use your caliper compression tool to carefully retract the brake piston fully into its housing. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Insert the new pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring they sit snugly and correctly. Reattach the brake caliper over the new pads and tighten the 2 guide bolts to the manufacturer's recommended 22 foot-pounds of torque. Double-check all connections. For the final steps, reinstall the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds using a torque wrench. Once the vehicle is back on the ground, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This seats the new pads against the rotor. Drive cautiously for the first 100 to 200 miles, avoiding hard braking, to properly brake in the new pads. Enjoy your newly refreshed Audi Q3 brakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.